Hey everyone, welcome back to my SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we will learn how to filter the data using the between and in operators in SQL. These two operators make your queries much more powerful and cleaner. And I will show you how, okay, with simple examples. So let's get started. So now previously, we used the where clause to filter records based on the specific conditions, right? Now, let's take it a step further and see how we can make our filters more flexible using the between and in. Okay, let's take our example customer table. In the customer table, we have customer ID, first name, last name, age, and country. We will use this table for our examples. Let's say we want to find the customers whose age is between 25 and 35. Okay. Instead of writing long conditions like age is greater than 25 and age is less than equal to 35, you can simply use the between operators. Like here you can see it. Select first name, last name, age from the customer. Okay. Where age is between 25 and 35. Okay, this will return all the customers whose age is between 25 and 35 because the between here operator includes both the boundary values, means it includes 25 and 35 as well. If we look at here, 25, between 25 and 35, how many rows will come? This one, this record will come, this one, and this one. Total three records, right? Let's execute and check this one. Okay, we got three records here. Hope you understand all these things. Between works for both what numbers and dates. Okay, so for example you can use it to find the sales between two dates and all. Try that one. Okay, it's an assignment. Now what if we want to filter customers from the multiple countries like UK, USA, and UAE? Instead of writing multiple or conditions, we can use the in operators. Okay, let's write it. Select first name, last name, and we'll take country here. Okay, from the customers table where country in bracket, here we can write UK, USA, and UAE. I'll run this one. Okay, that now instead of writing the multiple or conditions, we can use the in operators here. This will fetch all the records where the country matches any of these three values. Okay, and yeah, you can also use the not in, if you want to exclude specific values. Okay, like for example, where country not in here, not in any country. Okay, we'll remove the UAE and now we'll run that. Got it? Like how the result will be. Okay, so let's do the quick comparisons here between. It is great for ranges like numbers or dates. Okay, but in operator, it is great for multiple discrete values. Okay, uh, that's it for today's sessions. Now you know how to use the between and in to filter data smartly in SQL. Okay, If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more SQL tutorials.